Welcome to our channel on financial fitness for beginners. In this video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of investing and show you how you can start investing for your future without feeling overwhelmed. You might be thinking that investing is only for the wealthy or that it's too complicated. But we're here to tell you that anyone can invest and that it's quite simple. Investing can help you grow your money over time, beat inflation, and achieve your financial goals. So, why should you start investing?
Well, there are several reasons.
Firstly, investing allows you to grow your money over time, so you have more financial security in the future. Secondly, it can help you keep up with inflation, which is the increase in the cost of goods and services over time. If you don't invest, your money will lose value in real terms. And thirdly, investing can help you achieve financial goals such as buying a house, retiring comfortably, or starting a business. Now let's get started with some simple steps to help you start investing today. Step 1. Set your financial goals. It's important to know what you're investing for, whether it's retirement, a down payment on a house, or your child's education. Having clear goals will help you make better investment decisions. Step 2. Educate yourself. Investing can seem complicated, but with the right resources, it's easy to learn. You can read books, watch our videos, or take online courses to get started. We have many videos on our channel that educates you. Our goal is to educate you after all. Step 3. Start small. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Many investment platforms allow you to start with as little as $50. Starting small allows you to get a feel for investing and gain confidence before committing larger amounts of money. Step 4. Choose your investment. There are many types of investments to choose from, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs. Each type of investment comes with its own risks and benefits, so it's important to consider your risk tolerance, financial goals, and investment time horizon when choosing your investment. Step 5. Monitor your investment. Once you've made your investment, it's important to keep an eye on it.
Check your account regularly to ensure your investment is performing as expected and make adjustments as needed.
Now, let's address some common concerns or questions you may have. Isn't investing risky? All investments come with some level of risk, but by diversifying your portfolio and choosing investments that match your risk tolerance, you can minimize the risk. I don't have a lot of money to invest. Can I still invest?
Absolutely. You can start with as little as $50 and gradually increase your investment over time.
Check out our other videos where we discuss different types of investments you can start with. I don't have any experience in investing. Where do I start? Start by watching our videos. You will find a lot of resources there that will educate you on the basics of investing.
You can read books, watch videos, or take online courses to learn more.
In summary, investing is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals and build wealth over time. By following these simple steps, you can start investing today and secure your financial future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video to help the YouTube algorithm and leave us your feedback in the comments below. We'll see you in the next one.